Are you tired of battling wrinkles and pigmentation? Look no further than rice cream. Rice cream contains natural brightening agents that help reduce pigmentation and dark spots. It is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. In this video I'm sharing very easy, effective, and best collagen-boosting homemade anti-aging cream and toner for youthful and glowing skin with all natural ingredients. Ingredients you'll need: cooked rice, ½ a cup. Milk, 2 tablespoons. Aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon. Rosehip oil, 1 teaspoon. Almond oil, 1 teaspoon. Instructions. Start by cooking the rice until it's soft and well cooked. You can use white or brown rice for this recipe. Once cooked, let it cool down to room temperature. Put the cooked rice in a blender or food processor along with the milk. Blend until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. This will be the base of your cream. Add the aloe vera gel to the rice and milk mixture. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties and can be beneficial for the skin. Mix it in thoroughly. Next, add the rosehip oil and almond oil to the mixture. These oils are rich in vitamins and can help nourish your skin. Stir everything together until well combined. Transfer the cream into a clean, airtight container. Make sure it's sealed properly to prevent contamination. Application. To use the cream, apply a small amount to your clean, dry skin as needed. It can be used as a moisturizer or even as a face mask. Since this cream is homemade and doesn't contain preservatives, it's best to use it within a week or two and store it in the refrigerator. Benefits of cream. Rice. Exfoliation. Rice can act as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote a smoother complexion. Brightening. It contains vitamins and minerals that may help brighten the skin and improve its texture. Milk. Hydration. Milk is a natural source of hydration, helping to keep the skin moisturized and preventing dryness. Lactic acid. It contains lactic acid, which can act as a mild exfoliant, promoting cell turnover and a fresher appearance. Aloe vera gel. Soothing. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, making it ideal for calming irritated or sensitive skin. Hydration. It provides an extra layer of hydration to the skin without making it greasy. Rosehip oil. Vitamins and antioxidants. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Anti-aging. It may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promote a more youthful complexion. Hydration. Rosehip oil is moisturizing and can improve skin elasticity. Almond oil. Moisturization. Almond oil is an excellent moisturizer, helping to keep the skin soft and supple. Vitamin E. It contains vitamin E, which is known for its skin-nourishing and antioxidant properties. Anti-inflammatory. Almond oil may help reduce inflammation and soothe skin conditions like irritation and redness. Also make rice toner with rice and rose water. Ingredients you'll need: rice, 1/4 cup. Water, enough to soak the rice. Rose water, 1/4 cup. Instructions. Start by rinsing the rice thoroughly to remove any impurities. You can use white or brown rice for this recipe. Place the rinsed rice in a bowl and add enough water to cover it. Let it soak for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. During this time, the rice will release its nutrients into the water. After soaking, strain the rice water into a clean container. You can discard the rice or use it for other purposes. Combine the rice water with rose water in a clean bottle or container. Rose water is known for its soothing and hydrating properties, making it a great addition to the toner. Seal the bottle or container and store it in the refrigerator. Keeping it cool can provide a refreshing sensation when you use it. Application. To use the rice toner, apply a small amount to a cotton pad or ball and gently swipe it over your face and neck after cleansing. You can use it as a toner in your skincare routine. It can help hydrate and brighten your skin. Since this toner is natural and preservative-free, it's best to use it within a week or two. Benefits of rice and rosewater toner. Skin brightening. Rice water contains vitamins and minerals that can help improve skin complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots and pigmentation. Hydration. Rice water is a natural moisturizer that can help hydrate and soften the skin. Anti-inflammatory. Rosewater has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Balancing. This toner can help balance the skin's pH levels, which is important for maintaining healthy skin. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in rosewater can help combat the signs of aging and promote youthful-looking skin. Pore minimizing. Some people find that rice water can help minimize the appearance of pores. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.